We out here protesting. Look what's going on right here, man. What the fuck, yeah? What's going on, yeah?
Somebody else get your phone out.
That's crazy, yeah?
Get your phone out, homie. Record that, man.
Oh, y'all finding people over. Damn, yeah? What's going on? Damn.
What you doing?
What's going on?
He ran that man over.
Trying to run your over and all that. What?
How this car get it to drive?
I don't know what's going on out here, man. Ran the man over and all that. What the fuck? Damn.
Let me see your lights, bro.
It hit me, him, and Terrell.
Man, babe.
We don't know what to be about you.
The car came all the way around here.
I
Damn.
thought somebody was in the car.
Did you see anybody touch the car?
What the fuck going on? I ain't ran niggas over and all that car ghost riding by itself. What the fuck?
Hey, yo, it's been beating.
Yeah, this bitch real live.
Geek.
What? What? Ran niggas over and all that. He hurt himself and all that. Self time ass.
Come on. So that car ran him and the police over.
Damn.
It broke his leg is broke.
What?
It's broke. Sit down. No. Look. Sit down. Don't stand on it.
Oh no, man.
It's broke.
Come on, man.